What's up, YouTubers? Yellow Tom 7 here. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button because I upload videos and I can look at the sale. Oh my God! Look at all those birds. You see all those birds out there? Oh my God! Look at all the birds. Pretty birds. Look at all the birds. I don't have your phone. What lake is this? Ontario. Holy shit, look at all the birds on top of that building. On top of those little posters, a little bird. Little bird up there. Little birds up there. Oh, look at that Boss Bridge. Looks like an erector set.
You guys aren't disappointed with Niagara Falls. It was beautiful the first time I saw
it. Oh, look at the birds. Holy shit, look at all the birds out there on that island thingy. Shit, they must be repaving. First person view.
When we get to Niagara Falls, it seems kind of confusing to me. Like 63 kilometers.